Hello, today's learning English Chinese. The title is Greeting. 问候语，跟着我念问候语。Repeat after me. 问候语。Today we will study some useful sentence for greeting. The first one is thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. 谢谢你的帮忙。Thanks for 谢谢 your 你的你 means you. 你的 means your help 帮忙 Also, we had some phony for Chinese students. 谢谢你的帮忙 Here is the simple Chinese form. He's here. And this one is traditional Chinese form. You can learn both of them to understand what the character. So, repeat after me. 谢谢你的帮忙 Thanks for your help. Okay, the second one is thank you. 谢谢你 Thank you 谢谢你 You can see the difference in simple Chinese form and the traditional Chinese form. The simple Chinese form is the writing is more simple than traditional Chinese form. But traditional Chinese form, the character is more beautiful than simple Chinese form. So, thank 谢谢 you 你谢谢你 thank you 谢谢你 In Japanese we say arigato ございます So, if you learn Chinese, say again 谢谢你 Here's the pronunciation 谢谢你 One more time 谢谢你 Thank you Okay, the third one we will study is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice means very happy. 很高兴 Nice. 很高兴 To meet. To meet means 见到 You we learned before means 你 One more time 很高兴见到你 One more time 很高兴见到你 Nice to meet you Nice to meet you 很高兴见到你 Nice to meet you Nice to meet you I hope everyone liked to study English Chinese by this lesson. See you later. Bye.